Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how to fix if any apps on your Windows laptop are not working. See, for example, currently I face the issue with this Microsoft Clipchamp, the video editing software, and few other apps on my laptop. There is a easy fix. First, you need to press Windows logo key plus letter I, Windows plus I. So this will open the settings, and here you can see installed apps. Click on this installed apps and go to the app which you're facing problem. Means if the app is not working or getting stuck, or time and again if it is asking for to restart that app. So say for example, I am facing issues with this Microsoft Copilot. You need to click on these three options and click on these advanced options. Then there are three options here: terminate, repair, reset. Don't go for reset. Okay, this will delete the data. First of all, click on the terminate. This will temporarily close that running program. Say for example, you'll do this by right clicking on this task manager. This is the manual process. This is the process, right? If I want to kill any process here, what I'll do is usually I'll be right clicking on this and I'll just click on end this task, right? End task. So that is similar to this terminate. Okay, next, repair. This is what we want. If you click on repair after the terminate, okay, do it always after the terminate. Okay, what this will do, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So you need to make sure, if you want the data to be remain, then you need to opt for this option repair. So if you want to completely reset it, you can go for this, but the app's data will be deleted. So you may ask, what is the app's data? Say for example, you have loaded some videos and audio files on the Microsoft Clipchamp. I'm just taking this as the example. Those video files will be get deleted. Okay, I'll be going back to the installed apps. For few of the installed apps from the third-party stores, means other than Microsoft Store and other than pre-installed Microsoft apps, you won't find these advanced options here. Okay, for such apps, what you need to do, say for example, for Microsoft apps and other Microsoft Store apps, you will see that advanced options, but for normal apps which you download from the Chrome, you won't see that option. In such case, what you can do is you can click on Windows plus R to open the command prompt. Okay, run command, and just execute this option, percentage app data percentage. Click on OK. Say for example, if you want to clear this one, you can just copy this entire folder and take a backup to the another available one, and you can just delete the contents over here. You can just select everything and you can just delete this, so that this is also called reset. But make sure this is important, because if you delete this, nothing will remain in the app. Means your preferences, settings, or anything, everything will be reset. Okay, so yeah, this is not ideal for all the cases, but if you have no other chance, if you want to reset, then you can do this. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.